Good afternoon, 6th hour algebra. This is lesson 8.5, and we're going to multiply some variables. I'm going to show you how to do it and do maybe all of the questions on your homework, but then you have to go to the Cami and do them again. So that means if you get stuck with one, you just come back to the video, find it, and see what you're supposed to do. And I'm not putting the answers on the back this time because I'm putting the answers on this video. So when we multiply variables, it would look like x times x equals x something. So I'm going to put my magic pen on. Remember my magic pen. And we'll write in green. Okay. So there's an invisible number above this x. It's a 1. When they don't show a number, there's an invisible 1. And there's an invisible 1. So there's 1x, see the 1 disappeared, and 1x. I gotta take my invisible off. Okay, so 1x and 1x gives me how many x's? 2, I wish I wouldn't have put that x there. I should have wrote x and x. It gives me 2x, 2 x's. How do we write that in an abbreviated way? Because math people always like shortcuts. They say x to the 2 power, which means 2 x's. So x times x is 2 x's, and we write it x squared, or x with a little 2 up there. So I'm going to do another one. This time I'm going to do it with y's, because it can be any letter. So I have a y to the 3rd power. What does that mean? I'm going to change the color of my pen again. We'll go green again. Y to the 3rd means a y and a y and a y. So y to the 4th means a y and a y and a y and a y. So how many y's do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my answer would be y to the 7th power. Now, what's the shortcut to writing all those y's out? Some of you see it. This 3, whoops, I didn't mean to do that. This 3, because there's 3 of them, that 4, and you add them together. 3 plus 4 equals 7. It's that kind. So do not make this math hard. Just say, oh, this is easy. So number 1, this is your homework. I'm going to go through them kind of quick. V to the 6 and V to the 8. 6 plus 8 would be 14. Look over here, R5, R7. I'm going to write it out the slow way. 5 R's. Oh, and now 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many R's do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So your answer would be R to the 12th. Guessing already you're thinking you don't have to see me do all these. But those at the end are a little bit different, so stay with me. R2, R2. 2 plus 2 is 4. X5, X3. 5 plus 3 is x to the 8. R5, R2. 5 plus 2, oh, that's a 7. X3, X2, I feel like I already did this one. 3 plus 2 is 5. A5, A4, 5 plus 4. Once again, the slow way. 2, 3, 4. There's my 5 A's. And then I have 4 more. And I'm going to do it the counting way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So your answer is A9. Division, kind of the same. A2 over A2. That means there's 2 A's on the top, 2 A's on the bottom. Cancel, cancel. Now when you cancel, it does not equal 0. A divided by A is 1. A divided by A is 1. Your answer is 1. A lot of people think they just wipe out and they're gone. Nope, it becomes a 1. X3 over X3. Should have had a different. X, X, X over X, X, X. Cancel, cancel, cancel. Shortcut. 3 take away 3 is 0. X to the 0 is 1. X to the 0 is the same as 1, and that's why. They all cancel. X divided by X is a 1. Okay? invisible 1 up here. 1 take away 3 is a negative 2. Well, that'll be kind of confusing for you, so let's not make it confusing. X, X, X. Cancel. 1 on the top, 2 X's on the bottom. So every time you get an itty bit confused, just write it out the slower way. Look at that, P over P, the P's cancel, and then you just reduce it. And number 12, the B's cancel, reduce it, you're done. Easy lesson, let it be easy. Make sure you turn it in so that when we do review things, you have all your homework in. Okay, hang in there.